Hey guys, got a cool car here for you today. This is a 1970 Volkswagen Beetle. It is in really nice original shape, yellow paint, black interior, 1600 single port engine. We believe this car to be native to Colorado its entire life. It certainly shows that way underneath. Looks like it has an original tub. It appears to us that the tub is completely original. Even where the battery goes, there's no patch marks, which is pretty cool to see. But I'm gonna hop in and fire it up and show you all around it. Really nice dash and everything, and the steering wheel is all in really nice shape. So the odometer shows 36,457, and it's perfectly straight across all the way. So the previous owner, when he bought this car, it had been sitting for a very, very, very long time. So he had a thought that maybe that mileage is original. We have no way to prove it, but given the story of the car and the condition of all the sheet metal, it very well could be 36,000 miles, but we don't have a way to prove it. Fires up nice and easy. Got your wipers there. Speeds work nice. Those are your lights. Emergency flasher. Horn works. And I think that's for your temperature controls there. And aftermarket radio.
Don't miss the living spaces.
Has a nice sound too. It has speakers in the back. Glove box. You can see how nice and neat everything down here is with the e-brake and your heat controls there. Oh, here are your heat controls. This is for the seat belt. Heat controls, pretty cool. All right, there you have it. There is your 1600cc single port engine. This engine has a fresh oil change, a brand new carburetor, recent ignition tune-up, and it's running and sounding great. Easy to start, easy to maintain. Obviously, it's got a 12-volt electrical system. That was factory 1970. A really nice sounding motor. And that yellow paint is just really, really sharp. As you can see, the body and paint is in really good condition. Obviously, it has been repainted. It's an older paint job, but it shows really nice. And remember, it does have brand new tires on it, so it's ready to hit the road. If you're interested in this car, make sure to give us a call or go to our website, carsrememberwhen.com. There'll be about 80 plus high resolution pictures of the vehicle, including those of the undercarriage, so you can see how nice, clean, and original that tub is underneath. But if you're interested or have any questions, give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.